Atubon lo adiekete na grade 1 ko Soroti Edmono Kiror ngesi e balebe epelulo Apurok mamerai aisingaren sirigin konye apuri tungalu ejasi kede ngungeta lu alupo.
You know, mediation is a facilitated negotiation. That as you go out to do the mediation, at the back of your mind that is key is that I must be neutral at all times. The moment you realize that you are taking a side, then you cease to be a mediator. Excuse yourself and say, I cannot proceed. The moment you do not take them to the direction of resolving their dispute, as a mediator, you have not scored. Ensure that you are able to help these people reach an amicable resolution of their issues.
Apolo kinito neriongete lotere lepa jono jao ngesi e balebe ya kupupa purokolu kedachoa na puri musagono lu alupo.
Tolomu itungal wadau ekoti high court commercial division ai tojokeare pape mediator sarabe Ikapurok le ruchokina ne pekede ekoti ido kona atamar bonebe akawlo na itutuore tungalu apoto elipata tunga yokoti achama kine tungalu Aisac manar ne pekede lawyer sarabe katugo kulo koti ido loloto mapakiana ngesi tolomuna tungalu akawlo na adomuno abalwana no lomutosi o high court commercial division pape padao na chama kino kiselalo apugana no Uganda haipuri Imusaagon luelo mnete otomokoti arebunati lwejasi toma chaloi
Iche kotoma purokolu apote koda kinos keda TV is kesie bala siebe kapakina kesi aswa mukeche jokono
etengo bale ribore ne jok yene kotitunga achamon be ejitunga lu etege apugan ay ngarani kini i magistrates ay resolve nganyo akiron po no ejasai no ejase kinga noi eteleka rakiron walupok so bala ngachana yakun so achamuntu ngobe araisu nyakisi ipatisi yare lwengurianete achamuno be ikotoso somebody to come and mediate eribore ne ruruki
Kanuka TV East Abraham Lapo Koibuga Soroti.